The easiest way to add your annotated bibliography to your web page is via a button. So to do that, wherever you want your annotated bibliography to appear on your web page, probably below the About Me section, you would click where you can add content, choose a button. Given that we are trying to set this up for an assessment team, I might label the button, click here to view my annotated bibliography. Of course, you could just say annotated bibliography. And then I'm going to hop over to my annotated bibliography itself. I need to grab a link for sharing. I am already set the way that I want for this to be set, so that is anyone in Appalachian State with the link can view the document. So I'm going to copy that link, head back over to Adobe Spark, paste that in, save, and I'm finished.